Here we go. Thanks to the adaptive aerodynamics, the new 911 GT3 RS leverages the laws of physics with every high-speed move it makes. All right, stop right there. I don't know what the hell any of them meant. All I know is that it sounded really, really cool when I was reading it online, so I wanted to share it with you guys. But in other words, this Porsche is gonna be a fucking rocket ship. Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Welcome back to Cars with Luis. Today we are here experiencing the brand new Porsche GT3 RS. We're unboxing it. As you can see, they're taking off the covers here at the Porsche dealer. This is going to be epic. One thing I really want to show you guys about this car is that adaptive aerodynamics. I cannot wait to show you this. There's just so many pieces to unwrapping this thing, man. They really know how to package this like a Christmas present. Look at this. Plastic coming off, more coming off. Wow, this is so satisfying, guys. It seriously is. Here we go. Let's dive in deeper and check the interior of this GT3 RS and see all the cool components. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. This is what I'm talking about, the wing, man. God, look at that. The way it moves, it's so freaking cool. We're gonna see this car on the road in a minute here. Here we go. Let's back it up a little bit. And then I'm also gonna show you guys a couple clips of our boys over at R1 Motorsports out of California, where they install this amazing titanium exhaust on this thing, and this sounds incredible. You're gonna love how this thing fucking sounds. I mean, it's insane. But yeah, this is definitely a track weapon right here. Wow, a straight up rocket ship, guys. Holy crap, that is so loud. Anyways, what do you guys think? This car already from the factory is a freaking rocket ship. And therefore, once you tune it a little bit and you add an exhaust, and it's just, oh my God, I cannot believe how great this car handles, how great this car sounds. The style of it, the looks of it, Porsche once again knocking this car out of the park. Unbelievable. Shout out to the boys over at R1 Motorsports for doing a phenomenal job as always. You guys make these cars scream, man. I love it.